Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're so glad that you guys are watching. First and foremost, again, thank you for watching. But first and foremost, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so we can get the word of RVing out there and RV fixes and upgrades and travels and all those other things that we do on our YouTube channel. So would you do that for us, please? Would you go ahead and subscribe, like, and then share this video to other RV'ers that you may know. And we greatly, really appreciate that. Well, today I know that, let me just say this, I know that I said before in my last door video that I didn't want a couple things, but here we are looking at some other different things. And so one of the things that I did not want was a cover for our window because it's always kind of down and always shady. But there's always a but in the story, isn't there? But I found this right here. It's an RV blackout magnetic thing where all you have to do is apply the magnets on your door and this thing will work. It folds up in 3 different ways. You can have it all the way down, you can have it halfway, you can have it 3/4 away, and then up like that. Also, it is waterproof. So in case, you're walking out the door and spill something, it's waterproof. But here's the thing about it. It's also heat insulated. There's a reflective coating in there that it keeps the heat in and doesn't let the heat escape. So it's one of the good things if you're in chilly weather and stuff like that. And as I said, it's a magnetic hookup. And so we're going to go ahead and hook this thing up today. And we're just going to go ahead and put it. And if it's good, I'm going to show you another way to use this that you may really, really like. And so stay tuned for that. That's going to be at the end of the show, of the video. So just stay tuned for that, if you will. And so we're going to go ahead and get this little baby installed. But first, let me show you what's inside. It comes packed very, very tight. Pull it out and open this up. There's a few things in here. One is the step-by-step instructions of how to use this. 2 and 3 and 4 are your different uses for the magnetic strips that you're going to need. And then lastly, you have the coating. So this is the fabric side. This is the reflective side. And so we're going to show you how to get this done right now. Here we go. Okay, here we are at the door. And the first thing you want to do is you notice this strip right here. That's going to go at the top because it's already put on. And so you want to measure it, make sure you're going to get a good fit. And so this covers the whole thing. And so you're going to want to make sure that you position it just right. And then you're going to try to peel back. All right, so I have this already peeled back. You see that right there. I'm going to position this at the top of my door window frame. Just like that. Okay, so now you see that's up there, and this is how it folds back up. So you have sunshine and stuff coming out your window. So the next phase of this, now that it's there, is to add the sides and the bottom. And it's the same thing. And if you notice, the sides, that had the same type of material that this is on the side, so that when you have this up, you're going to be looking at that right there. You're not going to be looking at an eyesore, which is very convenient for us. So the next thing is to peel this off. There we go. we go, got that one on. Next we'll do the same thing here. Don't make those things easy to take off. That is for sure. So we're going to close the door up a little bit. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to prop this up. We're going to go exactly the same place. And then this is the bottom. We're going to overlap that. We're going to put it right here at the bottom of the window. Just like that. There you go. All set. So if I want some sunshine, or I just want to look out the door, see if anybody's coming, you got that one. Right there. And then also you can have it full open just like that. And it's all installed. Well, there you have it. Nice and easy to work. And it keeps the heat in. It keeps the cold out when it's on a chilly morning. Hey, listen, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video to someone else. But now comes the added gift. I'm going to give you a gift today. What that gift is how to use this in a different place. And I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, well, here we are. We are in the RV bedroom. And I took down the accordion shades. I pulled those off with just a couple screws, and I replaced them with this. It fits perfectly in this window. And you can open up this window, and then you can close it up for a good sleep, a good nap, whatever you want to do there. And it's going to be perfectly dark. Plus, this window is always cold in the wintertime. And so now it won't be so cold right there. Well, all right, that is our fixing our window issues on the front door cover, and then also on our bedroom windows. We got rid of these things, and now it's just a simple process of folding them down in the dark and then rolling them up when we want light in the RV door or the bedroom window doors. And I said this earlier, that because they're insulated, those windows are always cold. In fact, I used to have a pillow put up right next to that window on cold days so it wouldn't be so cold in the mornings. So now with that on, because it's insulated, keeps the heat in and doesn't let it out, it's going to be a fantastic modification. So anyway, thank you for watching, and listen, if you like these videos, go ahead and click on this video right here, and it will show you some more mods and modifications that we've done and upgrades that we've done, and we're looking forward to that. So enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon. I'll see you